Suffer from acid reflux? Read these tips. You have to take control of your life. There is no one out there who can help you if you can't help yourself. This means you have to become educated on your condition and how to make it tolerable. Start with this video and all of its tips on controlling acid reflux. Acid reflux can be caused by a number of different things, not just the types of food you are eating. Look into your lifestyle too and see if you're not pushing yourself too hard, under excessive stress, or otherwise need to take better care of yourself. Learn to relax, improve your diet, and see if that doesn't help. If you're experiencing acid reflux lately, try a new diet that consists of low acid foods. Avoid spicy or acidic foods and eat your food slowly. If you still get acid reflux, it's probably time to check in with your doctor. Although your problem may not be serious, it may require medication that your doctor can recommend or prescribe. You need to exercise if you have gout, but don't overdo it. Losing weight is a huge factor in controlling acid reflux, so go out for a run, play some soccer, or go for a swim. That said, don't push your body too hard or you may find your gout becomes active. Always keep gravity in mind. Remember that acid is being held down, so when you position your body in a way where down isn't towards your feet, problems will ensue. Keep your head up and your stomach uncompressed, then you should be able to find relief from acid reflux all day long. Now that you have this knowledge, you must use it. You have to start changing your lifestyle to help you cope with your condition. You need to take life by the reins and guide it where you want it to go. What you must do most of all is start the changes today. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.